Hello class. Yesterday Robin and Julian asked me how to draw heatsink in a way based with fins. They are different parts. I didn't know that time, so I had a little bit research to find out the solution. Let's see how I'm going to do this. So first I'm going to draw our heatsink. This is my heatsink. Let's extrude it. I know the base is not separate from the fins, but let's accept for now. Then let's draw the fluid side. For example, from this distance and perpendicular to that surface, draw this sketch. So now I'm going to extrude up to, let me change the direction. This is upward, that is why I don't have next here. So if I change the direction, now I can see the next, and it is going to fill all the gaps. So up to next works when I have just one part here. If I had two parts, it's going to select just one of them, which is not useful for us. So that is why I draw this heatsink as one part and then extrude to the next for the I forget to uncheck this merge result. So now you can see if I hide my heatsink, you can see the air or the fluid part is going to fill the rest of the area. Now let's I hide everything. Let's cut the base. To cut the base, I need to draw a line to cut that base. So let's draw a sketch from this side to this side. This is supposed to be up there, so I'm going to select this line and this line. Or just drag it up to this surface. Unfortunately, I can't use escape, so it's a bit difficult without escape. So good, and let's rebuild it. Now I have one sketch which I'm going to use as a split. Let's find the split tool. It's here. If you couldn't find it, you can easily come here, use command and split. It is going to show you all the splits. Let's use this. The trim tool is going to be the line I draw, and for the body it is going to be this one, which is heatsink. Cut bodies, and it is showing all the bodies, which is this one. Control this, this, this. So I have 4 bodies now. Let's OK. Now let's check how many solid bodies we have. For the fluid, 1 fin, another fin, third one, and base. Now I can save as IGES file as a heatsink IGES heatsink number 2. Save it. Okay. Let's check it if it's has all the connections between the fins and the fluid side. right click on the geometry, import, browse from heatsink number 2, green check there, so no problem with the geometry up to this moment. And now mesh side, that connection part is going to show us if it's the geometry we are looking for or not. First of all, we have 5 parts, correct. Let's check the connections. Yes. Now part 1 is fluid, so connection is between part 1 and 2, which is the middle one, so all the sides of the fin has a connection with the contact with the air, the other fin, the third fin, and then between fins and base. Excellent. So it is working. Thank you very much for the good question, and see you next time.